All right, so we are finally getting the rain. It rained 5/10 earlier. And I know you can't see through the video how it is, but it is raining now. And that corn is loving it. No, you can see it right there. I'll zoom in. That corn is loving it. That 75-day corn is growing. Yeah, boy. Very pretty. Just keep it coming. I wish it'd rain like this 2 days. That way if it doesn't rain for 3 more weeks like it did this time, we'd still have some rain. Keep it coming. Oh, it's really coming down now. Oh, it's really coming down. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. It's only gonna last probably 30 minutes, but we'll take whatever we can take. Yes, we will. Keep it coming. It's really coming down. Look at that flood in my yard. Let's see, I look at that as wasted water. That water should be, I should put a trench in. That water should be directed to the field. I love it though. Boy, there's a lot of water coming down. That's great. And you can't even see across the other field. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Alright, well, we got another one in here today. Got her all greased, cleaned up. Well, not cleaned up. He's cleaning the inside of her. But the service part's done. She's dirty, but she'll probably stay dirty too after we get done with wheat. All right, hooking up our other black Peterbilt to our Merit hopper. It's all cleaned up and shiny. Always like checking the fifth wheel, make sure she did lock. Now all we're waiting on now is the weather. So we'll start cutting some wheat. Wrong way. This is my favorite hopper we got. The doors got meal doors on them. They're really big. You can't open them up so much when you're unloading grain because it makes a big mess, but she'll hold a lot. I don't even know what year this thing is. It's a 2007 Merit. Got extra lights on her, all aluminum wheels. Nice looking. Air rod. All the other ones we got 3 Wilsons. Where we got one, I think 2 Wilsons and a Tempted. We got 4 hoppers all together. My brother's gonna wash one of the other trucks, so I'm gonna satellite radio everything in here. I'm gonna move her over to the other spot inside the other black one. That way you don't blow crap all over this after I got her all waxed and buffed out and shined up and pretty for harvest season. So it's hot here now. We needed that rain. Now we're just letting the wheat dry down a couple days. Probably go in there and try it. I don't know, might try it Saturday if we don't get any more rain. Start opening up some fields. Get the combine, make sure she's right. Get the baler right. And then after that it'll be full swing. Alright, so I'm mowing a new piece that we got. We're gonna put beans here. It's been, nobody's farmed it in a couple years. it's got this, and then probably 60 acres on the other side of the woods, 70 acres, something like that. They call one that we farming, so we're going to. But this is what the day is. Just mowing. I hate this fucking tractor. Here in the back of the farm now. I've gotten all of it done except for that over there. When I get this little field done, I got to move over there and it kind of wraps around the woods. I'll show you here in a second. Got that left to do. Still quite a bit. I just got done. All of that. Just eating home. Well, we're cutting wheat. Got the 680. 35-foot flex tray we're cutting. We'll see how she does. Just started. They want to cutting wheat. There's my baby. My brother broke her. Broke the speed sensor belt on her. That's the sensor that controls the speed, I guess, of the belt. Messed up. There's one. There's two. The third one was behind the other black one. I didn't get that one. And we're off to go bale. We didn't cut, we just cut the inroads a little bit out of one field, and then I opened up another field. Like I said, the center on the draper belt on the 635 FD went bad. So I got to pick a sensor up in the morning, fix that. All right, he's finally baling. All right, so I am moving bales with the 544J. We didn't get much done. This farm right here was a little bit too wet. Look at the kitty. It was a little bit too wet. So we're just baling up what we did, and he moved down over there. I'll be going over there to pick up, and I'll video him baling a little bit. And so we're just a little bit too wet still to get going, like get going hard. But it's amazing because we didn't have rain for, I don't know, 4 weeks, 3 weeks. And then I think the rain we got an inch. And I think it kind of seemed like it turned the fodder green a little bit. And this wheat was hard and dry the other day, and then we got the rain that just did it. So, but it is what it is. I'm glad we got the rain for the corn. There's one of the prettiest cornfields that we got, 114 day. And I mean, that is a beautiful field, beautiful. I'll put that up against, well, I can't say Illinois corn, but I'll put it up against some irrigated corn. I mean, I'm just surprised that we haven't had rain, and it's just as even and it's pretty, and it's just, I mean, it's just been steady growing. I don't know, but they said that was a good, it's Pioneer 1494 is the number. And they said it was a good hybrid. But I mean, it's just, I mean, all the way across. I mean, it's just beautiful. And I know you guys out in the Midwest look at that and think that's ridiculous, but for us, it's pretty. I mean, it looks good for us. It looks good for us. So, and that rain we got, I mean, it really jumped the corn up around here. And my 75-day corn, it was tall as me before the rain. So I'm pretty sure now that it's, you know, I like to go stand in the same spot and take take another video and see the height growth. And just 2 days ago rain, maybe that's what I'll do, because I posted it on my Instagram, Eastern Shore Farmer. So I posted it on there, so maybe I'll go take a picture and I'll post it on there too, and then you can look at both pictures. Actually, I'll do a side by side, because with Instagram you can do the layout, and I'll do a side by side 2 days ago and just see if it grew, how much that rain really helped. So I'm gonna go down here, I'll video him in a second. Well, we got him out here baling. She seems to be doing all right now. We had some hiccups with the transmission IVP, but she's doing pretty good now. Peats lined up and the combine. It's good looking, whatever you call it, right there. Now that's a Sunset right there. 3 Peterbilt's 379s and John Deere S680 with a 35-foot flex draper. Look at that girl. Oh, she's shiny. Oh, she's shiny. She's shiny too.
Oh, that's greasy.
That's really fucking greasy.
Yeah, that's greasy.
Greasy.